It's Solomons with a Z bar.
Wake
Open the car, okay, open the door. Open the door. I have to make a tribute
Get it
to
out, Frost. Get it out, Frost.
Solomons for getting expelled. I can't see Solomons at my school. I can't see Solomons at my school. He like Loki disappearing. Solomons beat up Miss McCracken, and he also beat up Miss Bravery, and he also beat up Mr. Master D. So normal collaborations with Solomons. Watch out for Elixir and Larray, cause I'm gonna get you any day. Watch out, they're gonna get you. Ooh. Let go of me, let go of me. No, I'm not gonna do that, Solomons. You're so scary when you're angry. He's got retard strength. Oh no, watch out, he's gonna get you. Hi, I'm Solomons. I am Solomons. I'm on stage. I'm gonna get you. Okay, that should be good for the recording, right? Mr. Peach's dog.